Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I am going to show you how to clear iPhone and iPad cache files to make iPhone faster, and how to clear iPhone and iPad files that are not in use. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first method is launch Safari and tap on this book icon. Now tap on clear. Here we have a 4 option. Clearing will remove history, cookies and other browsing data. Clear from all time, today and yesterday, today, the lost hours. We have to tap on all the time and clear all the history of Safari. After that, tap on done and force close the Safari browser. If you're using iOS 12, then launch settings. Scroll, find and tap on Safari, and under Safari scroll and tap clear history and website data to clear everything from Safari. Method number 2. The second method is launch settings. Then tap general, and under general we have to tap on iPhone storage. Here's the list of all applications that you have in your iPhone. Now choose the application that you are not using for a long time and tap on that application and tap offload app one by one. This thing will make free space and make your iPhone and iPad faster. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.